Working from home is a great way to earn extra cash while at home. This type of job does not require any face-to-face interaction and allows you to focus more on results rather than meeting people. There are many advantages to working from home, including greater flexibility and lower stress level. If you seek a remote job, there are several things to consider. These tips will help you find the right opportunity for you. You should also evaluate each listing carefully. Hey, it is your boy, Willie DeJarnett. I'm about to discuss a work from home job. No experience, no phone. Also, I'll provide the link at the bottom of the video. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys, take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay, I got a couple places that I found that I want to share some work from home jobs with you guys. It states that it has no experience and you don't have to talk on the phone. Now, bear in mind, sometimes those jobs are there and so many people want those jobs. They're gone quickly. So in this time of me creating this video, it could be easily gone. So not trying to do you like that, but they go pretty quick. So I try to research them all the time. So let's go ahead and get into the training and just see what we can find, see if it's an opportunity out there for you. Okay, this site here is called outplex.com/careers. So let's see what is available for us. Now, this site here does not have a lot of jobs. So what we'll do is we will click right here and we will go work at home, United States. So right now we have 2, and we'll look at the work at home customer service representative, and let's scroll down and it's just kind of, well, let's look at it. It says code 141. There are 10 openings. So let's kind of make sure we look through here and make sure it's the type of job that you want to. Okay, here is a green light here, live chat. So this particular job is where you don't have to talk on the phone. So yeah, you want to come in and take a look at what it has far as the intel of what you'll have to do. I'm looking right here. It's talking about typing, and it's 30 to 50 words per minute. They talked about ability to multitask, product information, the ability to have individual research information on the internet, sales experience, a plus, that can help you out. Outstanding spelling and grammar. If I was you, I'll get me an account with Grammarly, and you can put it on your PC and you can have it to come in. Once you have the plugin or file on your PC, it recognizes your spelling as you working. And then before you send that chat out to who you chatting with, you'll make sure you have your grammatical errors fixed. So that's what I would advise you if you got a job like this. That's when it said that it must be hardwired to the internet. Me, this is just personally, if I was to apply for a job like that, I would go ahead and get me a small PC. If you have the monitors and stuff at the house, just get you a brand new PC. You don't have to get the newest. You can get an older model, or right now they got Windows 11 out. You can get a Windows 10 computer. You can even get a refurbished computer that's totally designated strictly to your work, and just use your other stuff for other things. You don't have to use it for work. You can have your work computer strictly for work. Yeah, you can get one $200. So I'm just telling you, if you want to take this job serious. So, and what I like about it, when I talked about no experience, they're just asking for a high school diploma, general education. So that's a job, and it's 10 of them opening. So I hope by the time someone gets to this video, if you're looking for a job like this, you have the opportunity to get it before all of them are gone. Yeah, and it's in the United States, so that's pretty cool. So I thought that was pretty cool. So, but yeah, just take a look at it and see what you think. Let me make sure I put this warning here for you Mac lovers, because I do have a MacBook as well. Right here, it's not compatible. So make sure you have a PC. So, and monitors are dime a dozen. So yeah, just like I said, go to Amazon, get you a refurbished Windows 10 just for this job. So if there's something that you want, you don't have to worry about it, and just make it for this job. And also they have a device. It's called it's like a switch box, and you can switch from your work computer to your the computer that you have all your other stuff on. So that's what I would advise you to do, and I think that's pretty cool. Now there was another job there. We're not gonna go there. It's for I'm gonna take a look at it. It just always does that when you go backward. The other job was let's just look at it again, and you can come back. It's a bilingual Spanish English customer service type deal, and 10 of those are open as well. So you must be able to speak in multi-language. So if that's what you want to do, that's the other job that's available, and there's 10 available for that current position as well. Let's go to our next company, and it's called JazzHR. JazzHR. So I don't know how you want to pronounce it, and you can come here, and I'll have the link in the video, and you can come in and look at these sites. And let's stroll down here and look, and we're going to click on careers, and you can kind of stroll through it. It's actually nice, and they got a bot if you need to consult with them. I guess when you consult with the bot, they'll get back with you. Okay, let's look at some of the people who've been successful that's worked for this company. You can look into their testimony, whatever. And what we're going to do is, while we're here, we'll just look at what's available. And you basically got to pay attention to remote. I was trying to get one that don't requires a lot of experience, because if you look at this one right here, account executive, you're gonna probably have to have a lot of experience. This is extremely small writing, guys. I'm just trying to tell you. And let's go through and just highlight the main points that you need to be interested in. So what you'll be doing: initiating high-level relationship with companies that will benefit from the JazzHR platform. So you want to come in and look at these small writing. The company has been around since 2009, so they've been here. I do not see a salary, and you can go to Glassdoor, and I was going to register a Glassdoor account just to show you guys all of the jobs that are available. They want you to give a review, a job review. Well, I don't want to give a job review if I'm not actually in that job. So that's where, if you want to look at some examples of statistics on what the average cost is, they do want you to have a bachelor's degree in business psychology, marketing, and related fields. So I want to make sure you look at that. I knew when you deal with something says account executive, I knew it was going to require some kind of education. So that's the nature of the beast. Excellent communication, presentation skills, and a sense of humor. I guess they don't want a dry person. So a minimum of 2 years of successful experience. And just like I said in the video that I created yesterday, some jobs, when it comes to putting a resume together, you have to have it where you can come in and edit it and tweak it, for specific jobs. So that's just the way it is. So right here at the top, I just overlooked this sales full-time and mid-level experience. So just wanna kind of let you see this. So, but yeah, I'll have this link below, and just make sure you check it out, thoroughly read, see if it's something that you might be interested in. Let's go to our next one, and you wouldn't believe it. The Dish Network, you know, the satellite dish. Yeah. So I already went there and I typed in remote here, and we just gonna look at remote, because one thing you're gonna realize, and y'all know that because you done dealt with customer service before, a lot of people can't speak our just regular English. So you know, you wonder why. I used to wonder why we dealt with so many people that speak multi-language. Well, after starting this channel dealing with online jobs, I understand now. Look, like right here, this customer service bilingual, but we're gonna look at a remote customer service right here, and hopefully this is just regular English. This particular job, and it tells you the 21 states that this is in, and I don't know if you're remote, will that make a difference if your state is not there? You just have to find out. But let's just go through, because this job right here, I don't know how many jobs are available for this. I wanted to take a look, but let's just go down here and look. It has a lot of criteria to it. You know, the average salary starts at $30,000, tops off at paid vacation, 6 times 401k. So this is a job with benefits. So I just want to kind of make sure that lets me know you really don't have to have a lot of education, high school diploma, GED or equivalent. I wonder, do they offer training? Sometimes people offer training to get you going. So they want you to be attendance. So they need you. This is when you'll be ready to work. You'll be working from home. Yeah. Understand the modern employee may need to operate fast or on their feet and out of the office. Working from home allows you to perform a professional workday from the comforts of your home. So just like I said in the previous job, me, if I was to apply for a job like that, I'll go out and get me I'm telling you, you can get a PC with nothing on it, really clean, don't have to have maybe 16 megs of RAM, and I'll just have that PC designated for the job. That's you can go to Amazon and look for a refurbished computer, and they refurbished and cleaned everything up so you can do these things. Okay, let's look at some of the things that oh, look at here, computer and accessories. This dish I don't know why I want to say this. Dish will supply PC tower. Ooh. So hey, they will take care of this for you. They will provide you the equipment. 2 monitors, USB noise canceling headsets. Wow. USB webcam, USB keyboard and mouse. So interesting. Wow, very powerful. You have to have internet. Yeah, you want to have internet. But how many companies will provide you all of that? That is extremely powerful, very powerful. Can't ask for no better deal than that. That is pretty good. So I'm just kind of thumbing through looking at, because you need to, and I guess they have all this the noise reduction, so there's no background noises when you're dealing with other people. So that is pretty cool. That is absolutely cool. And let's just take a look at some of the what you make per hour. And this is by state, and they're, you know, $13, $14, $15 an hour. But you know, when you have jobs like that, and you're in the comforts of your own home, your commuting route, you know, like where I work at now, it's a round trip of 30 miles a day. So some of your expense won't be as bad because you're at the house. Like, that is not a bad gig though, to be able to get your PCs. That is really, really nice. So, but yeah, I'll have this link in the video, and it don't require a lot of this is basically, if you want me to say this is basically entry-level work, not being on the phone, and they provide you with equipment. Wow, very powerful, extremely powerful. That is something that you need to take a look at. So, but far as today, these are the only 3 jobs that I have. So just go ahead and get on it before they go away, because that's a nice opportunity. But guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next set of jobs that I bring to you. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.